welcome inside my newest listing. I'm Kevin Sharpenberg, your local real estate expert with eXp Realty. Today we're showcasing unit number 41, 1214 Okanagan Ave in Chase, British Columbia. Just a short walk away from Little Shuswap Lake. So if you love to swim, boat, tube, just be on the water, this place may be perfect for you. Let's have a look around. So this home is a 2016, but there's been tons of updates. You've got quartz countertops with the quartz backsplash. You've got under counter lighting. You've got high-end stainless steel appliances. You have a touchless faucet here, and you have roll-down blinds that are automatic. You just push a button and they all come down for you. And then outside, you've got a Trex deck with lighting all around the perimeter. In the backyard, you have a fully fenced yard. You've got this deck that runs almost the entirety of the side of the trailer, which is perfect for entertaining with your friends. There is a natural gas hookup for your barbecue out here. And then a bonus, you get this saltwater hot tub system here that works perfect. And then on the side of the house here, you've got a storage shed to keep all the stuff you don't want to put inside. If you'd like some more information, reach out to your realtor. Better yet, give somebody for office a call. We're happy to help.